So what you can also do is go around and keep flat objects inside of perspective if you want. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to move the flat surface that I have right here, and then I'm going to go around onto object, then I'm going to go to perspective, and I'm going to draw in perspective right here, and simply go ahead and click and drag this out right here. So you can see that I have this perspective tool, which is right now in orthographic mode, but I can go around and choose the top view right here, left side view right here, just like this. So now if I want to actually go ahead and keep this particular object over here onto the plane, I can simply right click and move to plane right here, and I can move it to the side right here, and as you can see now it moves to the side of the object right here, just like this. And as I click and drag, you can actually see that I can resize it out right here, and it follows out the perspective right here, just like this. I can also go around and right click and move it to the top right here, just like this, and you can see that now the object actually follows out onto the top. I can also go ahead and click and drag this out right here, just like this. Let me just press Ctrl Z a few times. I can also click and drag it out over here on the bottom hand side right here. I can go ahead and click and drag it, and this is what you have, as you can see. So that's how you can go ahead and keep out objects in perspective inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.